Hey you guys, this is Lorie at TMI Gifts. I am going to do a mailbox bow for someone today. We are going to do a little bit of a collegiate fall type bow to go on someone's mailbox. And when you're doing a mailbox bow, you always want to use ribbon that has a good wire in it or something that's going to hold up a little bit, or you want to spray it with that Krylon just to give it a little bit of UV protection in it too. But I am going to take some 10-inch mesh that I have here. It's just some black mesh. And I've done 3 curls, and I'm going to take those curls and just kind of layer them on top of each other. And this is just going to give me a little bit of body on the base of it, so that when they put that on their mailbox, it's always going to stand up, because your mesh is what's going to stand up really well. And if you use a 10-inch mesh, it gives it more bounce and volume. I'm going to use some football ribbon. I'm just going to use some colors, you know, like with fall. This is for a MSU base. Any of your high school team colors, this football ribbon is a great ribbon to use. So check us out at tmigifts.com and you can get any of these ribbons you see here. Okay, I'm going to go in with this base of this little plaid. Remember, we want to make this look fall and football. I'm just going to make a couple of loops. I'm going to do me a tail. Do one more time, loop and a loop. Gives me a good base, and these ribbons right here are really sturdy. They've got some good hold to them, so these are really going to work great outside. Okay, I'm going to come in with some of this Mississippi ribbon here. I'm just going to do one loop of this. I want a tail. You always want that wording to show. I'm at the end of my roll, so I'm going to dovetail that. Okay, let's get a dovetail here. Okay, and then we have another let's do a football ribbon. This is a 2.5-inch football ribbon. Love this ribbon. It's great. It's very thick and sturdy. It's going to hold up really well outside on a bow, your mailbox, or on a wreath. Okay. And then I'm going to, let's do a little black polka dot. Just another little texture there. I want that mailbox bow to be big and pretty, stand out. Then I'm going to finish off with another ribbon, a Mississippi ribbon. It's Mississippi ribbon. Just add me another little tail loop here. And then I'm going to finish this off with this football and fall ribbon. Just another little loop on top, just to give it another color. Dovetail those ends. I'm going to get a zip tie. Run that zip tie in. That mesh, you never even see it, but it's going to give it a good base and something good to hold on to and stand up. And they can always add another zip tie to this to put on the pole at the back of their mailbox. Look at that. Perfect mailbox bow. Sits right on top of your mailbox. You're going to see all of that Mississippi ribbon, all those footballs, all those good ribbons to scream your school that you're supporting. You can get all of these products at tmigifts.com.